This is the last one, Antim Yatra. Okay. Antim Yatra. Again,
Last journey.
Last journey. Everybody has this problem of the new age. Elders are getting neglected. The houses are there. The old man is there. The new generation has migrated somewhere. The old man is left behind. So Darak Wadkun Humria Bayer Dusman Legit Laglarudum. His enemies also are crying outside. Darak Wadkun Humria Bayer Dusman Legit Laglarudum. Joti Karun Hat Jodit Nimne Paya Lagla Padu. Understand? No? दाराक वणकून उमऱ्या बाया दुस्मान लेगीत लागल्या रडूंक ज्योती काढून हात जोडीत निमण्या पाया लागल्या पडूंक निमण्या पाया लागल्या पडूंक कणे कापून सुमा गाठयत निसण ताची लागल्या बांदूंक दुखापुशी जाणटी लोस काणयो ताच्यो लागल्या सावूंक दुखापुशी जाणटे लोस काणयो ताच्यो लागल्या सावूंक घावे ताच्या काळजाचे परत आता दुखचेनात घावे ताच्या काळजाचे परत आता दुखचेनात वाट पळयत दोळ्यान ताच्या दुखां आनीक सुखचिनात निशणी वयल्यान धोलत अंतिम यात्रेक वयतना नदर ताची लागल्या बदलूंक फाटी वळून पळयतना मळे ताच्या सरणाचेर हळू लागला जळूंक एक सूर्या त्या जिणे परस मरण तरी कितलेंच बरें निमणे ताका आयला कळून देव बरें करूं.
Thank you so much, and really, I mean, it's amazing to share these works with you, and I'm so grateful, Ramesh, that you took all the trouble to give us something which is totally unheard of before, unheard by me, who has been following your work quite closely for quite a long time on the internet, in your performances. I'll never miss a Ramesh Gadi performance whenever I can to record, and I wish you all the best.
I feel honored. Really honored.
We are honored by your achievements.
Very few people are there who would call you and spend time saying, "Come on, let us record."
No.
If we have more records, then I think things would be.
Let me end on one sentence.
Yeah.
I'm not doing you a favor.
I think.
Let's put it that way.
I don't know, but I feel what you are doing is favor for our language.
Yes.
Favor for our generation.
In a small way, I mean, we are doing to a certain extent. You are doing more than I. But
many times it happens like if you give your work to a senior poet or senior writers, it will remain there for a year till without he reading and all. And very few would actually spend time on that book, read, and then reply the next day and inspire those younger generation.
Yeah.
What you are doing actually.
Maybe we need to build that culture, and technology allows us to. Technology has made it so easy, Ramesh?
Definitely.
See, because we are cutting across, script, dialect.
And one more thing, you are always one step ahead with the technology.
Anyway, I'll cut it here. But Ramesh, just